So I had to tell him to put his mask on because he came in with no mask on. I don't know why, because you know there's this thing going on, it's called COVID. So I had to tell him to put his mask on and he put one on, so we're good.
What's going on, guys? The Clouded Barber back at it with another video, trying to stay consistent. So here I got my homeboy Neil. He comes to me at least once a week, once every week and a half, to get his head balded out. Normally we do beards, but due to the circumstances we're unable to do it. But we are going to be balding him out. We are going to be blending in his beard to his bald head. And yeah, so as you can see here, we're going in with our Babyliss Gold FX up to the parietal ridge. And the reason I'm doing that is because I flip my trimmers around and it just makes it a hell of a lot easier when I'm doing the rest of the head, the top of the head. So after this, we're basically going to go in with our Babyliss shaver and bald them out completely. And this is where I flip my trimmer around. This is where it makes things a hell of a lot easier for me. I don't know about everybody else, but it makes things hell of a lot easier for me because I can kind of go from the parietal ridge up to the center of the head and just get more space covered in a more efficient way. All right, now we're blending the beard in with a lever fully open, no guard, lever half closed, and then fully closed, blending into the bald head. Now we got our one guard, lever fully open, half closed, and closed, and basically that blended the beard. So now we're going in with our Babyliss shaver and just pretty much balding them out completely. And we're going every angle, guys. Always remember, when you're using the shaver, you don't want to just go up. You want to go up, down, left, right, upside down, every angle you can possibly imagine to catch every single hair. Because last thing you want is when he goes home to touch his head after he showers is to feel stubble in spots that you've missed. So always keep that in mind, guys. Hit him from every angle. Alright, see there, I'm feeling for any stubble, and I did feel a little bit, so I'm going over it again and again and again until I feel absolutely no stubble whatsoever. And guys, I just want to thank everybody for following me, for subscribing to my channel, for showing the love that you do. And like I said, I'm trying to release more content more frequently, so you know, guys, just stick with me, and I promise I will be releasing a lot more content. I'm trying to stay steady, so I appreciate you all. Thank you. All right, basically we're going in on the other side. What we do on one side, we do to the other. It's practically the same thing, really. So here we just sped it up a bit for you guys, and yeah. I know, guys, this is a very, very basic tutorial, but at the end of the day, content is content, and you know, this could be useful for some people who just think that going over their head with a zero, you know, a clipper with no guard is good enough. But you know, if you want to get that bald, but like that bald look, but sometimes it's just not the way to go. You know what I mean? Sometimes you got to go to that next level. You got to go to that extent. And this is exactly how you do it. So hopefully I'm able to help someone out here with this video, even though it's a very basic tutorial. But hey, if I can help you guys out, that's what I'm here to do. So that's it. See, there I go, feeling for that stubble. Yes. All right, now what we do to left side, what we do to the right side, we obviously got to connect it, so we got to do the back too. So here's the back. Guys, that when you're doing the back of the head, you have the cowlick you have to deal with too. So when you're going in with the razor, or like this, you know, with the shaver, or you're going in even with your trimmers, you got to go in a circular motion near the crown area, because that's just the way the hair grows. It always grows in a circular motion, so that's the most trickiest. So remember, guys, like I said before, hit it from every angle so you leave no stubble, and you'll be happy, and so will your client. Now we're going in with the good old Vaseline. Yeah. Now we're just gonna put some on his head. We're gonna rub it in, moisturize it all, you know, let that skin soak it all up, because definitely after using a trimmer over and over and a shaver over and over, it's bound to make your head a little bit dry. So we get a little bit of the Vaseline moisturizer, rub it in until it's pretty much soaked in by the skin, until there's nothing left. Give them a little bit of massage for blood circulation in the head. Your client will really appreciate that. And yeah, just rub it in and keep on rubbing. Next, you want to get some talcum powder, put it on your brush, and just brush off any excess hair that might be lingering around. And that is the final product, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any suggestions or comments, please leave it in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification so you know when my next videos are coming out, all right? Bless and one love, guys.
So, bro, what did you think of your experience here at the barbershop today?
It's nice.
Did you like?
I like.
Okay. So, guys, this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was just a quick one, but it's bald like a baby's butt.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Come see my boy, the Clouded Barber. Only the best.
Holler at me, baby. I appreciate you.
Peace.